the same where I painted. So I'm just adding this color, more dark, indigo, ultramarine. Just left these spots to show that there is a sun coming through the branches. And after, everything getting dark. Just with this confident movement. Some branches you can show here.